Okay, good morning, guys. Welcome to Bang Bao, Koh Chang. This place is full of beautiful, really, tourist boats. This is considered a fishing port, but there hasn't been any actual fishermen here in generations. It's all about the tourists. All those boats leaving are just full of tourists right now. Some are ferries, some are just day trips. They go all over the place. That's a really cool lighthouse. I have been here before, but this is different. I think this end down here is all new. Well, new since I was here. Let's look at the boats. That's why I'm here. Beautiful, beautiful boats. There's a dive boat right here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boats leaving there. The big one in the back, it's 2 levels just stuffed full of people. I don't know how many that is, but there's a lot of people on there. This is a beautiful place, man. Tropical paradise for sure. There's a dive boat leaving. She's a different shape. I couldn't tell at the start where's the front. Takes a lot of spinning the wheel to get anywhere. No troubles, only bubbles. I like that. And off they go. That's more my style right there. This one here's getting ready to go as well. Not many people on this trip. No troubles, only bubbles. Cool looking boat, that one. She moves through the water pretty good for a big boat too. Here comes another one. Must be a ferry, or maybe not. A lot of lounge chairs up there. Some kayaks, probably to go to the islands. Oh, fishing rods on those. It's got the big lights for squid fishing at night. Look at that one. 250 horse Suzuki on her. Bet she goes good. Boss Fishing. Cool name. Oh, that's it, guys. Cool place. Cool boats. I have to say the boats that are here today are much nicer than the ones that were here last time, which is 6 or 7 years ago I was here. Much nicer boats, better taken care of, bigger, a lot of more. There were some big ones then too, but more bigger ones this time. And with the exception of one, they're all in immaculate shape. Look at this little cute little one. Really cool. That one's huge.
มีกล่องขายแต่หน้ามีบอลอย่างเดียวบอกกับเหนียวผมไม่รู้ว่าขายเรือ8 ลำมันพอผมไปถือมา
I was wondering what the pump was for. Got a huge live well full of squid.